Example 3. Write an equation of the line that passes through the points 0, -2, and 4, 10. So if we take a look, this isn't going to be the best graph, it's just going to be a rough sketch. 0, -2. So 0, -1, -2. We've got a dot right there. Now, specifically, if you're looking at that dot, do we notice anything specific? If we're trying to write our line y equals mx plus b, and we're trying to find m, and we're trying to find b, that's your y-intercept. So we just found our y-intercept is at -2. That's great. Okay, our other point, 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4, 10, which means our line would look something like that. Now, because we just graphed it out, we could go from here and find our slope. So we could count our rise over our run, which I will check in just a minute. But in order to do this, because I was given 2 points, I'm actually going to use our formula. So remember, our formula is the change in y over the change in x. So if I take a look at my y values, x, y, here's a y, here's a y. Just like we did with our tables, I'm going to take 10 minus -2. So 10 minus -2. Then I have to find the change in our x values. Here's an x, here's an x. So 4 minus 0. If I'm doing 10 minus -2, that's going to go to positive, and I'm going to have 12. 4 minus 0 is 4, and then 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our slope should be 3. And then we know that our y-intercept is -2. So y equals 3x minus 2. Now, let's go check. We said that our slope was 3. We found like 12 over 4. Let's go check that graphically, which I usually, if you're just given 2 points, I wouldn't rely too heavily on your graph because this is hand sketched. And usually when we hand sketch things, our sketches tend to get off. So if you're doing this, you need to either have graph paper or be very, very, very careful. So rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then this is where you got to be really careful because here I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got to go then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably where you're going to make your mistake. So we went up 12, we went over 4. Look at our slope. Up 12 over 4 simplifies to 3.